Okay, we have just put on a trade here in the emini S&P trading system. Of course, we like to think of ourselves as not just a trading system, but yes, we do show our trades right on the chart, as you can see here. We have two trades and that are showing. One is at 1268 even. That's the lower of the two red pointing down arrows. The higher one is at 68.75. So I have placed an order in the middle. It's 3 ticks, so just obviously you can't place an order at 1.5 ticks in emini S&P or in any market on the half tick, tick being the minimum increment the market must move. So I've placed the order at 1268.25, and that's to sell 4 contracts in the emini S&P. So for those of you not all that familiar with trading the emini, this is an electronic market. There's a lot of E-mini type products out there. The E-mini is commonly referred to the E-mini S&P, but there's the mini Dow, the E-mini NASDAQ, the E-mini Russell. Those are 4 of the most widely traded stock index futures. The E-mini S&P, however, has by far the most volume, over twice the NASDAQ, and somewhere in the order of 8 to 10 times the mini Dow and the Russell. So very good volume in this market, and most days good trading opportunities. It's the market that we like to focus on. And when we put a trade on, we are using the Ninja trading platform for this. So our software is an add-on to the Ninja Trader. And so these various paint bars and other things you see on the chart here, that's from our software, not just the Ninja. So the Ninja is just sort of the base product. We have a real-time data feed called Zenfire. And so we've just plugged in our software into it, and we can make trades. In this case, Ninja Trader, you can make trades on what they call the dome, the depth of market ladder. But for ease of viewing, I've put the trade right on the chart itself, which you can activate your chart and be able to do that in the Ninja Trader platform. So you can see we just got filled here, and we use a feature within Ninja Trader called the Automated Trade Management feature, and as soon as we have placed an order, it will automatically put in our protective buy stop and our buy limit targets. And I'm saying protective buy stop and buy limits because we are short in this trade. So in other words, we have entered the market on a short position with the expectation that the market will likely go lower from this level. So that's the difference between entering a short trade and entering a long trade. Long trade just means you're expecting the market to go higher. So, okay, the market has already dropped. We've just been in the trade for about a minute, and it's already dropped to our first objective where we're trying to buy 2, and it just filled us at 1267.50. So we've made 3 ticks on 2 contracts. You can see our second target there where it says target to our T2 for 1. The little green tag you can see there, it says buy T2, number 1 just to the left of it. So we're we're now trying to buy 1/4 of our position back at a profit of 6 ticks, and you can see the buy limit in there at 1266.75. So our protective buy stop has been dropped from 1269.75 down to 1269. So if the market should turn around here and rally on us and hit 1269, we would lose 3 ticks on 2 contracts. As you can see, the protective buy stop, that blue tag says buy S2, so that, and 2S just means that it's a stop order for 2 contracts at 1269. So should the market rally and stop us out for a loss of 2 ticks on 2 contracts, that would be the equivalent amount of what we just made when we bought back our 2 contracts at 1267.50. So no worse than a break even overall on this trade already. Just been into it for a minute or so. Okay, very nice. The market has dropped down to 6 points, or 6 ticks I should say, in our favor. It has reached 1266.75. We have not yet been filled, so you can see that we still have our buy for for one contract at target 2. It's still just waiting there, resting there. But you can see that our protective buy stop has been brought down to our entry price, our original entry price. So should the market move higher from here, even if we don't get filled on our second target, we would be stopped out at break even on the final second half of our position. So we would only have profits on half of our position. So hopefully the market will drop here and we will reach our second objective and be able to take a 6-tick profit. So the total profit that we're getting on this one contract is the equivalent of getting 3 ticks on 2 contracts on the first one, obviously. So we've already made 6 ticks on the first 2 contracts. We're looking to make 6 ticks on our second target, which is just 1 contract here. So it's hit it now a couple of times. Hopefully we'll get filled on this shortly. There we go. Okay, very nice. So now this last buy limit I have down there at 1265.25, I'm going to cancel that and the protective buy stop at break even. And what I like to do in a lot of cases, in most cases, is I will, because the way that the Ninja Trader has it set up, I'm just going to cancel that and then manually manage this final contract. So I've placed my buy stop at my entry price at 1268.25 for just 1 contract because we are only still short 1 contract, and I'll just manually adjust this. Hopefully we'll get some paint bars in here and we'll be able to do this. So I think yeah, we'll just let this roll here for a little bit and see what we can get out of it, and hopefully it'll continue to drop and we can manage it accordingly. So what we're looking for now is a selling paint bar so I can adjust my stop just slightly above that selling paint bar. Hopefully we'll get it here. Otherwise, if it gets to 3 points, I will then adjust it as well. So that's what we're looking to do in emini day trader. That's our basic trade management protocol, or trade management technique, if you will. So I think what I'll do is just maybe pause the video here, and then we will pick it up when we get a little more action, rather than kind of dragging out the video where the market is just sort of in the pause mode. Okay, I've picked it up here again. You can see that the market has come down to 65.50, so just 1 tick for our +3. We would need, because we don't have a selling paint bar to adjust our stop, we will at least salvage 1/3 of the move. But you can see here, what I've done is just gone ahead and moved it forward. So there we've been stopped out at break even on that trade, on the not on the full trade, but on the final partial. So just a profit this time on the 3 out of 4 contracts for a total of 12 ticks, or 3 points, $150. So and the overall trade took about 20 minutes to unfold.